Hello. Hare Krishna students, how are you all? So welcome you all back to my channel. Now today we are going to discuss an important topic in number system. This is multiples and factor. What are multiples and factor? We'll learn in this how to express a number as a product of its prime. What are multiples? What are common multiples? What are first factor? And what are common factor? Okay. So let's get started. So the first one topic is we will learn how to express a number as a product of its prime. So prime factorization of any number means to represent the number as the product of its prime. So for example, you have a number 36, so you will draw it like this to calculate to write down that number as a product of prime. So you'll see that this number is divisible by 2 and 2 is the very first prime number. So we will divide the number 36 by 2, which is 1 and 8, 18. Then again our number is divisible by 2. We will see, but now the number is not divisible by divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3, and 3 is also a prime number. So we can write it again. 3 is divisible by prime. So this way we will do the prime factorization of a number, where all we will try out the numbers and try to divide them by any prime number, and make sure you choose all the prime number one thing and start with the smallest one, and then you can write the number 36 as 2 times 2 and 3 times 3 2 times 3, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. So this is this is how we write 36 as a product of prime. Let's try another number. Let's take the number 100. So 100 can be prime factorized like this. We will do divided by 2, we'll get 50. Again divisible by 2, 25. Now do not divisible by 3, but yes, divisible by 5. Again divisible by 5. So 100 can be written as 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So I hope you have understood how can we do the prime factorization of a number, or how can we express a number as a product of its prime. Both are the same. Okay, now let's move to the other topic. In this we will learn what are multiples of a number. So multiples, a number that can be divided by another number without any remainder, is called its multiple. Okay, so for example, the multiple of 6. So what are the multiple of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 55. You see, all the numbers are in the table of 6. Why? Because all those numbers which are in the table of 6, you can divide those numbers by 6 without any remainder, right? Yes, these are called the multiples of the number. Okay, let's try out few questions based on that. Here we will try out the first question. We will see how can we write the first 5 multiples of 12. So first multiple is obviously 12. When you divide 12 by 12, you will not get any remainder. Then it is 24, obviously to a table. Then 36, we have to write first 5. No? So first 5 are these only: 12, 24, 36, and then 48, and then 60. And this series can go on. Okay, there's no end to it. Okay, so now let's try another number 3. So of course again we'll write 3 table: 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, up till 5 only. For C we will do it for 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 10, 15, 20, 25. All these are first 5 multiples of the numbers. For 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. Right? I'd like you to try the next 4 options in this and You can write the answer of these parts in the comment section. I'll confirm about your answer. Alright, now let's see another topic. What are common multiples? So a number that is multiple of two or more given numbers are called common multiples, as the name suggests. Okay, for example, let's find out the common multiple of two numbers, 3 and 5. So what we will do, we will write all the multiples of 3 in one row and all the multiples of 5 in another row. You can see 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and so on. And then all the multiples of 5 in the next row, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Now we will see this number 15 is in the multiple of 3 as well as in the multiple of 5. So hence 15 is a first common multiple. After that we have another common multiple, 30 and 30, and likewise we can find out more common multiples of 3 and 5, which is 45 and 45, and so on. And out of all the common multiples, whatever is the least value, we call it least common multiple. Okay, now let's move to the next topic, which is factors. So what are factor? Factor is a whole number by which a large number can be divided. Okay, so for example, if we have to write the factors of the number 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Basically this is a whole number by which a larger number can be divided. So what are the numbers by which you can divide 12 completely? Of course, you can divide 12 by 1, then you can divide 12 by 2 completely without any remainder. You can divide 12 by 3 completely without any remainder. 12 can be divided by 4, 12 can be divided by 6, and 12 can be divided by 12 itself. Okay, so factors will start with 1. Alright, now let's try out the questions based on factors. So 4, let's write out the factors of 4. So 1 can be completely divided by 4, 2 and 4. For 5, it is 1 can be divided by 5, 5 can be divided by 5. For 8, 1 can be divided by 5 completely, 2 can be divided by no, 8 can be divided by 2. It's the opposite. 8 can be divided by 2 completely, 8 can be divided by 4, 8 can be divided by 8. And then we have 11. For that we have 1 and 11. So of course that is a prime number which is only divisible by the number and the number itself and 1. For 18, 1, of course, 18 can be divided by 2 completely, 3 completely, 4 no, 5 no, 6 completely, no, 7 no, 8, then 9 completely, and then 18. Okay, likewise 12 we just done. I'd like you to try rest of the question and write down the answer of these questions in comment. Thank you. Like and subscribe.